Oh my god, there is a mysterious monster hidden in this tree hole. The locals call it Little Mamba. It is said that the whole body is black and highly toxic. So can it still hide from Brother Sunspot's arrows? This group of Sunspot brothers are lying on the ground drinking water. The puppy outside can only wait patiently. In the poor land of Africa, Brother Sunspot never dislikes anything dirty, because their immune system is strong enough. Even drink turbid water, won't get sick and have diarrhea, and this is the only water source nearby. They come here to replenish water before hunting every day. The water in the puddle was also gulped down by them. Then they used beautiful desert roses, boil into black poison, apply it to the glowing arrow. Went hunting with leather bag on my back. Today they are striding at a fast pace. Go deep into the forest to find venison. Soon there was a fawn. They followed the fawn's escape route all the way. Tips: this is a video of hunting. All wild animals in our country are protected animals. Please don't imitate the behavior of video. Soon the front Sunspot brother approached the fawn. Immediately bow and shoot arrows, and the fawn tries to escape after being hit by the arrow. The Sunspot brothers also followed closely. Badly injured fawn left footprints in blood. The 30-year-old Sunspot brothers have 31 years of hunting experience. Have 100% confidence in this clearly visible trace. The fawn was soon found in the bushes. Am excited to carry the fawn on shoulder. Rushing home to make fresh deer soup. Anyone who has drunk beef soup knows what deer soup tastes like. While the other brother found Little Mamba in the tree hole, they unceremoniously killed Little Mamba. End the life of this little monster with thousands of arrows. Since then, Little Mamba has become a little hedgehog.